Most people think their financial problems are income problems. I just don't earn enough. If I made more, everything would be different. Kevin thought the same, until he did the math. Over 3 years, he had earned enough to pay off all his debt and build a 6-month emergency fund. But he had neither. Where did the money go? He had no idea. And that is the scariest part. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete, actionable plan. Because today, Kevin is going to show you 5 habits that changed everything. Not theory from a textbook, not advice from a $300 an hour financial consultant. Real habits, ones he built one by one until the money stopped disappearing and started to accumulate. If you've ever looked at your account balance at the end of the month and thought, where did it all go? This video is for you. Stay until the end. Habit number 5, the one nobody talks about, changed more for Kevin than all the others combined. Habit number 1. It's called pay yourself first. And it sounds obvious until you realize you've been doing the exact opposite your entire life. The typical pattern goes like this. Paycheck arrives, pay the bills, buy groceries, handle whatever comes up, and if anything's left at the end of the month, maybe you save something. But nothing is ever left, because expenses always expand to fill whatever space you give them. Kevin changed the order. Now, on payday, before any spending, he transfers a fixed amount to a separate account, not whatever's left, a specific number, automatically. This works on one simple principle. Your brain spends what it sees. If the money disappears from your account the moment your paycheck arrives, it's as if it never existed. You adapt to what remains, every single time. Start with 10%. If that feels like too much, start with 5. The number doesn't matter as much as the habit. 3 months from now, you won't feel the difference in your lifestyle, but you will see the difference in your account. Habit number 2. Kevin calls it the one-page budget, because if your budget doesn't fit on one page, you're not using it. Most people either don't budget at all, or they've tried complicated spreadsheets with 20 categories and quit after a week, because it's inconvenient and takes more energy than it's worth. Kevin's system is simpler. 3 columns. First, income. 1 number, whatever actually landed in your account. Second, fixed expenses. Rent, utilities, loan payments, basic groceries. Third, everything else. That's the entire budget. The goal isn't to track every coffee. The goal is to see the full picture in a single glance. When you see it, you make better decisions. When you don't, money just disappears. Update this one page once a week. 10 minutes. It's the only financial ritual Kevin hasn't skipped in the past 2 years.
Habit number 3. You've already heard a version of this in the last video, but here Kevin goes deeper. The rule is simple. Any unplanned purchase over $20 waits 24 hours, not 48. Kevin mentioned that number before for bigger purchases. 24 hours for everything. Here's why it works. At the moment of purchase, the part of your brain that wants immediate pleasure is running the show. It doesn't think about tomorrow. It doesn't think about your account balance. It thinks only one thing. I want this now. 24 hours later, that part cools down. A different part takes over. And in 8 out of 10 cases, you simply don't go back for the purchase. Because the desire was an impulse, not a real need. Kevin ran the numbers. In the first year of applying this rule, he saved over $800. Just by waiting. Quick pause. We're halfway through, and if these first 3 habits are already making you think about your money differently, hit that like button right now. It helps Kevin's channel grow and gets these ideas in front of the people who need them most. And if you're new here, subscribe. Every week, Kevin breaks down one idea about money that actually changes behavior. No filler. No buy my course. Just what works. 2 habits left. And number 5 is the one Kevin says changed more for him than all the others put together. Let's keep going. Habit number 4. Kevin calls it Financial Day, and it's probably the most underrated habit on this entire list. Once a month, Just once, he sits down and reviews everything. Every subscription, every automatic payment, every recurring charge. He looks at what's changed, what can be canceled, what can be renegotiated. You'll be surprised how much money leaks out invisibly. A streaming service you haven't touched since February. An insurance policy that's overdue for review. A phone plan you could replace for half the price. Kevin found nearly $200 a month in his expenses, money that was being automatically debited for things he had long stopped using. This doesn't require a financial education. It requires 1 hour a month and an honest look at your statements. Pick a day. Set a recurring reminder on your phone. Kevin does it on the last Sunday of every month, with coffee, without rushing. Habit number 5, the one nobody talks about. Make money boring. Most people have an emotional relationship with money. They spend when they're sad, retail therapy. They spend when they're happy, time to celebrate. They spend when they're stressed. They deserve it. Money becomes a way to manage mood, and that is a slow-motion financial disaster. Kevin did the opposite. He removed emotion from financial decisions as much as possible. Automatic transfers to savings. They run without him. The budget is written in advance. No need to decide each time. The 24-hour rule. It kills the impulse before it acts. Boredom in finance is not a weakness. It's a strategy. The most financially successful people Kevin has studied don't make money decisions based on emotion. Their system runs on its own, while they get on with living. Your goal is to build a system where most of the right financial actions happen automatically. No willpower required. No daily discipline. It just works. 5 habits. Let's run through them quickly while it's all fresh. 1. Pay yourself first, automatically, on payday. 2. One-page budget. One glance, the full picture. 3. The 24-hour rule. 8 out of 10 impulses disappear on their own. 4. Financial day once a month. Find the money that's already leaking out. And 5. Make money boring. Build a system that works without you. Not one of these habits requires a high income. Not one requires a financial degree. They require only one thing: starting today. One habit. Any one of the 5. If this video was useful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this right now. That's the best thing you can do for Kevin, and for that person. Next week, Kevin is going to tackle the topic people are afraid to say out loud. Why most people never get out of debt, even when they're earning good money. It's going to be uncomfortable, but necessary. See you there. Kevin, out.